Ndewonu, ndebanye ekene unu. Welcome, welcome. I hope you guys are having a good time. Okay, so today we are going to revisit what we did in our last class. Nkọwa Onwe, introduction. Introducing yourself with the Igbo language. Nkọwa Onwe. I know that learning a new language can be very challenging, but we will take it slowly, gradually, we will get there. With constant practice as well, we will perfect it, okay? So, Nkọwa Onwe, kambido. Aha m bụ Ijeoma. My name is Ijeoma. Aha nna m bụ Emeka. My father's name is Emeka. Aha nne m bụ Joy. My mother's name is Joy. Aha m bụ Ijeoma. Aha m. Aha m bụ Ijeoma. My name is Ijeoma. Aha nna m bụ Emeka. Aha nna is father. Aha nna m, my father. Nna m, my father. Aha nna m bụ Emeka. Aha nne m is my mother. Nne m, my mother. Aha nne m bụ Joy. Now let's practice it. Aha m bụ Ijeoma. Is me. Is me. Aha m, my name. Is me. Aha m bụ Ijeoma. Aha nna m bụ Emeka. Aha nne m bụ Joy. Aha m bụ Ijeoma. Aha nna m bụ Emeka. Aha nne m bụ Joy. So we'll keep on practicing this way. After every class, I'll try to make a video and I'll post it out there so that you too can listen. Tell me your own, speak it, practice it, send it back to me, okay?